Hey everybody! In this video we're going to talk about identifying direct and inverse variation equations. So for each equation we need to determine if it's direct variation or inverse variation. Remember, direct variation is of the form y equals kx. Inverse variation is of the form y equals k divided by x. So for both of these we need to get y equals something. Here we have 2x times y equals 16. So in order to get y by itself, we divide by 2x. So we do get y equals 16 divided by 2 is 8, and then over x on the bottom. This looks like inverse variation. And what is our k? Our k is our numerator, which is 8. For the next one, it's a little bit tricky. It kind of tricks us because we don't have a y equals. So we need to make sure we solve for y. Let's multiply by both sides by y. So we get yx equals 10, and then divide by x. So we get y equals 10 over x. So this is again an inverse variation equation with k being equal to 10. Okay, let's do a few more because we got inverse variation for both of those. So here's some more with y equals y over 7 equals x and y equals x over 4. But remember, direct variation, I need y equals kx, and inverse variation, I need y equals k divided by x. So for this one, y divided by 7 equals x. Let's multiply by 7. And we get y equals 7 times x. That is direct variation, where k is equal to 7. Now this one might seem a little tricky. Y equals x divided by 4. In my inverse variation equation, I have a fraction, but x is in the denominator. Here x is in the numerator, so I'm actually just going to rewrite this as y equals 1/4 times x. Aren't those equivalent? So this is still k. 1/4 is k, and then I have k times x. So I still have direct variation, but k in this case is 1/4. Okay, so that's how you identify direct and inverse variation equations.